Hi guys, I am eating in Mang Inatal. What that just happened? Oh, there you go. Okay guys, let's go eat Mang Inasal. Let's go. I think I'm a little bit lagging, but that's fine. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's see. Anyways, hello. Hello? Ha? Anong hello? Hello! I'm nanonood. Let's go order to... I cannot even see... Mang Inasal. Okay. Do you think I have a man by my side? I don't have a man. What do you mean? Sir and ma'am. Ma'am pala yun, sorry. If I'm gonna slap this lady. Anyways, let me just order that. And I think I should order this thing. And I should really add a little bit halo. Favorite ako. Let's go. Oh, there's nothing else in here. Oopsies. Let's go. Alis na. Okay. Kapag kulang yung order natin, well, might as well order. Okay. Sana hindi ako mag-vlog katulad ng video kong 99 nights. Hindi ko pa para yun napapost. Nakalimutan ko. Mamaya ko naman post. Okay, bukas. Okay, mamaya. Okay, let's see.
Ano ba yung patahingin nyo? Sino ba hinahanap nyo? Huwag nyo nang hanapin ang taong wala dito. Manahimik na kayo.
Anyways, nanonood lang sila, so don't mind the noise ni. Okay, let's get that. Okay, hindi ko napansin kasi nanonood na rin ako at the same time. Pero perfect pala yung pakan ko, ah. Wow. Anyways, let's go get it.
Iharap mo kita sa mga. Bitin na lang.
Perfect. My delicioso food is here. Let's go put it. The plate is bigger than my head. Let's eat. Delicioso. Guys, you might not see this, but I'm not even just literally. You'll know soon. Okay.